Hi, I hope everyone's having a great day today. In this video, I want to share with you this salad. I really love it. It's from Costco. Our local Costco makes it in-house. I don't know about all the other Costco's around, but it's we definitely have it here in Texas. So it has 7 ingredients, and here's the spinach I actually got it at HEB, and I had to put it in there and compress it in the bag because the container wouldn't fit in the fridge. Eggs. I made 4 eggs, but the fourth one was kind of strange, so I ended up not using that one. And we have mozzarella cheese and bacon. Supposed to be bits, but they didn't get chopped up quite that much. Red onion, also known as purple. Grape tomatoes. And some cranberries with 50% less sugar. I definitely recommend those if you can find them. They're not easy to find around this town anyway. And I had to run to the store at the last minute and get some Brianna's poppy seed dressing because I didn't have time to make it. And so excuse me, probably the most time you'll spend is waiting for the eggs to boil and bacon if you use it. You can use the bagged bacon that's on the shelf stable one, but it's kind of strange sometimes. So I use the other bacon. It's already cooked. You just cook it a little more and chop it up. And there's the salad. It's such a pretty salad. Costco, a while back, they started they chopped up their onions instead of using rings, and that kind of, onions, they start to deteriorate and everything is kind of too oniony. Now, maybe one day they'll go back. I don't know. And then we got our boiled eggs here. I ended up using 3 of them. And my method for that has been you start them in cold water, set a timer for 20 minutes, bring it to a rolling boil, shut the burner off, and then when the timer goes off, pull them off the burner, and you get perfect eggs every time. I've been using it for, I don't even remember how many years now, decades. That's the way I like to do mine, so give it a shot. So I hope you will try this salad and enjoy it as much as we do. It's really easy to pull together. You can use it for the entire meal, actually. It's really a meal. Well, until next time, I will see you in the kitchen.